Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President of Florida Suncoast. Hope you're doing well. Hey, for those folks that subscribe to the our YouTube channel, yeah, you're getting this a day early. Travel plans and impact require me to shoot this on Wednesday night this week. But I think we've got all our details together, and we'll jump right into it. Before we do, wow, what a weekend this past weekend! I think we had 5 events on the calendar, all over the state, things going on everywhere, and just a blast. So had some drives up in the Gainesville, Ocala, Sanford area. We were all over the state, people from everywhere, all 2 different chapters were together, the whole 9 yards. A lot of fun. Down in Naples, a lot of fun, the whole 9 yards. And nothing short of this Saturday, August 17th, coming up, Fort Myers Cars and Coffee, and we got 2 things going on at Cars and Coffee this weekend in Fort Myers, and so it looks like we're going to be doing the we'll go there, but we have the simulators at Fort Myers this weekend. We had them in last weekend in Naples. The simulators are going to be at Cars and Coffee this Saturday in Fort Myers. Come on out. I will challenge you. I'm putting down some time on the simulator. See if you can take me to the turns, see what you can do with it. And then we're going to jump in the car around 10:30 and head out to Sebring, to the Don Jose Mexican restaurant there on the lake in Sebring. We have the whole back porch reserved for us, overlooking the lake. It's going to be a fun drive out. Wherever you are, Tampa, Sarasota, Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte, Fort Myers, Naples, wherever you are, come and join us. We'll be there just right before noon. And we got plenty of room, so just come on, let's go for a cool drive. Also, just missed it last week. We got the video out just before we got this in. So let me tell you, on the 31st, August 31st, Saturday, Beamers and Dinner up in Port St. Joe. It's our Panama City group. We're having dinner. Chris and Margaret have set this up at Provisions. What a really cool restaurant. The cuisine is just really cool. Check it out on the calendar. Come on out and do it. This is going to be in Port St. Joe, so just remember, we're jumping over onto the Eastern Daylight Savings Time there in Port St. Joe. We're just from Panama City area, cross back over the timeline. So everything you see on the calendar is Eastern Daylight Savings Time. So make sure you adjust to that. Don't be late. And come on out and enjoy it. And Chris and Margaret doing a wonderful job, and we appreciate that as we develop that area up there. Coming in September, we got a full slate in September. The 3rd, the 7th, the 8th, the 14th, the 21st. St. Pete, Clearwater. The Cars and Coffee at Sarasota. Naples Cars and Coffee. DeSoto Picnic, the 3rd annual picnic, DeSoto. And then we got the Fort Myers Cars and Coffee, and we roll back through September. As we'll finish up the summer, start into the fall series of our events as we move into September and then toward October, and just a ton of things still on the calendar as we go from the 3rd quarter to the 4th quarter of the calendar year. Listen, we're having a ton of fun. Come on out and join us. There's all kind of things. If you've got an idea about some things to do, come on, let us know, and we'll try to say yes and get these things on the slate for us. A quick shout out to John Hose, who did the drive last week up from the Ocala area out to Sanford and the German restaurant. John, thank you for doing that. I really appreciate that, and the pictures were just right on the spot, so thank you for doing that. Come on, folks, come on out and join us. Until then, we're going to tell you, happy motoring, y'all. See you soon. Bye now.